Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add more than one admin to your Facebook page. Now first of all, make sure this is your Facebook page and not your personal profile. Your Facebook page should see something like this. Alright, you can see there's the edit, manage, and the most important button is the promote page. Now what I'm going to do next is to click on settings here. If you don't see the settings here, you can click on the top right corner here and go to settings and privacy. Now for this case, I'm going to click on settings here. Then once you click the settings, you will be directed to this page. That's where you can insert your username. And then here you're going to click on new pages experience. Alright, then over here, that's where you want to add your new admins to this Facebook page. So what you're going to do is just click on this add new here. And here you just click on next. So I'm going to put in Niel Tan. Like this. Then once I'm okay, I just click on allow this person to have full control. Then click on give access. And then here, that's where you want to insert your password, which is your Facebook login profile password. Okay, this is just to confirm that you are the right person, you are the actual person who wants to give the full control to another person. Alright, so go ahead, put in a password and then click on confirm, and that's it. Alright, that's it for your part. The next is to make sure that your friend or your partner or your colleague, they have to log into the Facebook and then they have to accept the invitation. Alright, so that is how it is done. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, just let me know. If you have any question, leave your comment down below of this video. Alright, that is all for now. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.